I have a whole box of candy. Are you guys ready for that challenge?
Yeah!
This is part of our science unit where we're looking at the wonders of water. Thumbs up, no worries, you got it. Science hats on, put your gloves on. Today we're going to focus on the dissolving of candy and water.
They're dissolving. It's just changing color stripes.
Which water helps something dissolve faster? Which one helps it dissolve faster? Kinley? Warm. I think science is a huge piece of making connections for kids. I have all different types. Each group is going to have one candy from each of the bags. So take those 4 back. It's a great way to keep kids wondering, keep kids problem solving, keep kids exploring. Dinnerman is here and Smarty's here. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, oh my god, the dinnerman it's going fast.
It develops perseverance with them. Kids love to try something.
Smell it. Wow. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like bubble gum.
Who can give me one final thought? And it's in a risk-free environment so that they can make a mistake, they can alter the experiment and try it again and hopefully come to a different conclusion. And sadly,